In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Facebook in Gohighlevel. To get started, log into your Gohighlevel account and make sure you're inside the correct location or workspace where you want the Facebook integration to be added. This is important because integrations are often tied to a specific location, so it's a good idea to confirm you're in the right place before making any changes. Once you're on the main Gohighlevel screen, look over to the left-hand side of the page. This is where you'll find the main navigation menu for your account. Most of the tools and settings you need will be listed there. So if you're ever unsure where to go, the left sidebar is usually the best place to start. From that menu, click on Settings. This will open up the area where you can manage account level options, business details, and connected platforms. If you don't immediately see what you need, don't worry. The settings section includes several categories, so the next step is just narrowing down to the correct one. Now, still on the left side, click on Integrations. This section is where Gohighlevel lets you connect third-party platforms and services. Integrations help your account communicate with external tools, and in this case, you'll be linking Facebook so the two platforms can work together. Once you're in the integrations area, find the Facebook option. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct platform, especially if you see multiple connection choices listed on the page. Next, click Connect. This will begin the Facebook connection process. After selecting Connect, Gohighlevel should prompt you to sign in through Facebook or authorize access if you're not already logged in. At this point, enter your Facebook account details to continue. Be sure you're signing in with the Facebook account that has the right permissions for the business page or assets you want to use with Gohighlevel. That's an important detail because using the wrong Facebook account can lead to missing pages, limited access, or connection errors later on. Once you've entered your account information and completed the login or authorization prompts, the integration process should continue from there. If Facebook asks you to review permissions, read through them carefully before approving so you understand what access is being granted. And that's how to integrate Facebook and Gohighlevel. If the connection doesn't appear right away, give it a moment and refresh the page if needed. Following these steps carefully will help you get everything connected smoothly and ready to use.